Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
All right, good evening to you. I'm Chief Meteorologist Craig Flint. We've had some wet weather as expected already rolling through. More on the way. That's a look live downtown tonight where we have clouds rolling in. And we've had some wet weather already, mainly light rain. There are a few downpours out there, but man, this is like air you could wear. It just kind of weighs on you, right? The humidity up there tonight, 67 the low. You don't have AC, not going to be comfortable for sleeping tonight. All right, so we had one little round of showers come through already, all part of an area low pressure. Let's go in a little closer. A couple downpours that we're watching. This is even a few lightning strikes there. Manheim, up to Little Falls, Dolgeville, and then up towards the Coldbrook area. This is east of downtown Utica, but some steadier rain. Vienna, up towards Camden. Also out towards Rome and just west of Rome, down through, say, Westmo and points south to Clarks Mills, just to the east of Oneida right now, and a few showers up over the Adirondacks. All right, so here's what to expect. It's a warmer, it's a muggier weather pattern. Showers and storms, yes. Is it a washout? No. Rain is random in the summer, and that's the type of pattern we're in. So I've already had people, say, oh, I'm going to have to cancel the soccer game or the picnic tomorrow. No, please don't. There will be some dry periods in there, but it is also going to rain at some point this weekend. I know that sounds like a cop-out, but that's just the pattern we're in. And because it's so humid, any one of those showers and storms will have some extremely heavy rain as we take all that available moisture up in the cloud and bring it right down here to the surface. And that is the case tonight. So as we look at these numbers in the 60s to near 70, that is a lot of juice as we look up through the column of the atmosphere. So a lot of water above you, and this area low pressure, see that spin right there, is in the process of lifting the air. And as that process happens, we squeeze out those showers and storms. So we have one round going by to the north. Tomorrow morning, probably the driest part of the day. Here we are at 1 o'clock, and we're going to have these scattered showers, thunderstorms, some downpours developing. But notice, again, it's not everywhere, but there will be a few out there. As we go towards the evening, that activity dies out. I think Sunday's actually drier when you compare the two weekend days. Once we get into the late afternoon, so we get towards 4, 5, 6 o'clock, another round of showers and storms developing into the afternoon. It's going to be warm and muggy right through said weekend. And here it is for you right on your fancy TV. Nice monitor, by the way. It's really cool. 77 on Saturday. And again, I think Sunday is mainly dry. Once we get to the evening, though, better chance of a shower or thunderstorm. There will be a few around tomorrow, but again, not raining all day long. Highs in the mid-70s. It's warm, it's muggy, it's saucy out there tonight. Calm winds 71, dew point at 69. So that number not going to drop too much tonight. Probably end up in the upper 60s. We'll be in the mid-70s tomorrow. Some scattered downpours developing. Gully washers, frog stranglers, and a few more storms becoming isolated on Sunday. So again, I think Sunday's the drier half of the weekend. Low 80s, a few more gusty storms Monday and Tuesday, warm, humid, upper 70s to the low and mid 80s. Still active Wednesday, maybe some relief by Thursday and Friday.
Okay, thanks, Craig.
You got it.
We've got your look at local sports when we come back.
Witness Weather Forecast.
All righty, good evening. Let's get ready to go for the weekend. You'll need to have the umbrella at least handy. Does that mean it rains all the time? No, I don't think so. Let's take a look live downtown tonight where we've already had some wet weather kind of scamper on through here. Some wet weather coming through now as we look live, and there's going to be some more of that around tonight. Some localized downpours. Man, look at these low temperatures. We're probably not going to be dropping much more from where we are now, which is in the upper 60s to near 70. And then through the day tomorrow, here's how it works. It's not going to rain all day. Probably the driest part would be in the morning, and then we're going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms developing into the afternoon, some localized downpours again as we get into the afternoon. High temperatures will be in the mid and upper 70s. All right, so here's a look at Doppler radar tonight, and we've got wet weather moving through kind of this large circulation. That's part of this area of low pressure. A couple of downpours still out there. It's mainly light rain down across the county of Otsego right now. Some sprinkles. Heavier rain back towards Cortland, Ithaca. We go up north here, and you can see some heavier rain extending, say around Dolgeville and up towards Coldbrook, north of Herkimer. So a little downpour there. Stratford, Oppenheim, east of Little Falls, and then again up towards Coldbrook, and you get up towards Norway. Some heavier rain here as well. Numbers are in the 60s. Again, these do not move much from where they are. So mid-60s now, Woodgate, Remsen, upper 60s to near 70 here in town. 66 in Springfield, Lawrence, 67 in Sherburne, 68 in Oneonta, and 66 right now in Cortland. All right, here's what to expect. Warmer, muggier weather pattern. Showers and storms, yes. Raining all the time, no. So it's just one of those weekends where you're just going to have to kind of keep your eyes peeled on the Smarty Pants phone, the radar there. And keep in mind, because it's so moisture-laden, so humid, any shower or thunderstorm will likely have some very heavy rain with it as we take all that moisture and bring it right down to the ground. So there's low pressure. A couple of lightning strikes near Buffalo. Also had a few earlier this evening. As you can see, that broad circulation. Real quick on the tropics. There's Brett. That's Cindy. Two tropical storms we're watching, with more activity kind of rolling off the coast of Africa here. So interesting to note that it's El Nino, and we're seeing a lot more activity in the intertropical convergence zone, something you don't see too often, but we'll keep you posted. All right, so low pressure. This guy spirals its way through, and as that happens, we lift the air. So showers and thunderstorms develop again Saturday. Sunday, I think, is the drier half of the weekend, but we get towards late in the day Sunday, another round of showers and storms likely. So warm, humid, mainly afternoon showers, downpours and storms, 77. Muggy, warm, and again, I think mainly rain-free as we go into Sunday. The best chance would be late on Sunday with a high of 82. And real quick, we'll fast forward. 11 amp on Monday evening downtown, probably some scattered storms around. Does that mean they will be right over downtown? I don't know. Have to wait and see. This is going to be kind of the pattern where these storms will just develop. Warm, humid, 82 for 11 amp Monday evening. So we'll be dodging those downpours and storms Saturday. I think Sunday probably more isolated. Could be a few gusty storms Monday. Some juicy storms Tuesday as well. Still active here Wednesday, Thursday, but showers should end Thursday. Humidity lowers. Looks pretty nice Friday. Highs near 80.
Okay, thanks, Greg. Shelby Pay shares Francesca's heartwarming, life-saving story next after the break.